Can you get rich as a home care business owner? What if I told you your job right now, your experience, your education can transfer into the home care business? What do I mean by that? You can literally get into this home care space by utilizing the skills, the talents, the education, your passion that you currently possess into a thriving home care business. Many of my clients have transitioned from being a nurse, a doctor, a CNA, a PCA, and many other disciplines. And guess what? They ain't ever going back to working for anyone again. So I'm Michele Williams, aka Coach Michele, and I help people all over the country start, manage, and grow their home care business. Throughout my last 9 years of serving people like you, I've seen so many nurses and others transition from a toxic work environment into having a fulfilled job. Yes, job, because you are going to be the best employee for your business as you transition into an entrepreneur, CEO, etc. So I'm going to share with you today 5 reasons why you should get started right now. But before I do, if you are here for the first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are returning, you already know how I feel about you. Mwah! So grab your pen and paper. Reason number 1, the demand for home care right now is exploding. What do I mean by that? There's more seniors now than ever before. And guess what? Not only seniors need home care services. There are individuals with disabilities. There are children that need home care services and many, many others. So this is a perfect opportunity. So when you hear people say, oh, it's saturated, or you see this person and that person, it's not. You are unique and you have your uniqueness that you're going to bring to your business. So this is a perfect time, guys. There's more seniors than ever before, and the numbers and the projections are just getting larger and larger and larger. So yes, we need passionate individuals with a desire to serve their community. Guess what else? Reason number 2, you don't need a lot of money. A lot of y'all out here looking at franchises that's charging you hundreds of thousands of dollars. You're paying for this territory. Baby, I'm here to tell you, you do not need a lot of money. Do you need money? Absolutely. You do not need a lot of money to start and grow a home care business. Okay? But let me go back for a moment. I want to be clear. Yes, you do need money to get started. Okay? That's extremely important. You don't need a fancy office. Some areas and states don't even require an office. So yes, many of you can get started from your home. So what I have found, guys, is a lot of times people make excuses. I need an office. I need nice furniture. I need this. I need this. No, you don't. You need to commit, do the work, get started, start generating some revenue, and then you can invest in those other things, guys. But make it as simplistic as possible. So many of you are looking at franchises. I used to own in a different industry multiple franchises, so I get it. I was a brand new entrepreneur, didn't know anything about business, and I figured that would be the best way to go. And that was in 2003. So fast forward, I just don't see the reason of investing in a franchise when you have consultants out here. We have an amazing program that can walk you through the process without investing so much money. Reason number 3, flexibility. Right now, as a healthcare professional, you're probably working 12-hour shifts. Some of you may be on call. Some of you may have jobs that you don't like. Some of you may be in toxic situations. Some of you may be living paycheck to paycheck. This business as an entrepreneur is going to give you flexibility. Right? So you're able to work when you want to work. You're able to generate the money that you want to generate. You're able to do all these things because you are in control. Now, side note, it's going to be difficult. It's going to be challenging in the beginning. So I don't want you to think that, oh, it's going to be easy and I just jump over here. No, guys, it is challenging. This is a business that requires a high level of commitment. And guess what? There's going to be some sacrifice that's required as well. So I want you to have the right mindset when you get into this business so you can set yourself up for success as I'm setting you up for success with these videos. Reason number 4 is the impact. So many of you started your career as CNAs, healthcare professionals, and you started that way because of the passion. to serve others. So the impact that you have as a home care agency owner is enormous. I mean, you're going to be changing and enhancing lives of medically fragile individuals, people that are lonely, people that need a little bit of help, people that need a lot of help. The impact of your community by offering jobs and stimulating the local economy, the impact that you're going to have on your life, the life of your family members and those that you choose to bless through your blessings. So the impact is going to touch you here, right? Because you got into healthcare because of the passion you have for others. And then last but not least, number 5, the potential to scale. Like I mentioned, franchises. And I'm not downing franchises by any means because like I said, I owned a few. However, there are options. And when it comes to scaling your business, when you are looking to add additional services to your business, when you are being extremely creative, right? There's some limitations. So as far as having and being a part of a franchise, right? Because everything is a fee. I got to pay to get in. I got to pay for marketing. I got to pay as far as a part of a fund. I got to pay my royalties. I got to pay all of these different fees. I got to pay to get additional territories. The territory may not be available. My loved ones live in that territory and I can't even serve them. My church is over there. I can't serve them because somebody else owns that territory. So you want to start your own business, yes, so you can put your swag to it, so you can make it what your heart really wants it to be as you're compliant with your state rules and regulations, and you can scale whenever you like. So you can say, okay, I'm going to service this county, now this county, this county, this county. I'm going to have an office on the east side, an office on the west side, office on the south side, the north side. I'm going to spread to another state. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this. So you have the flexibility to create an empire. You have the flexibility to create exactly what your heart desires. So I hope you found value in this video. If so, please comment below. I love hearing from you. I personally respond to each of the comments that I see. I would love to see you guys at conference. So I'm personally inviting you to conference. It is in March 2025. Click the link below to learn more about conference and secure your ticket now. So guys, take care. God bless. Mwah.